Hello student, how are you? I hope you are all safe at home. Welcome to my class. And you know that you have completed the revision class of chapter 7, that's name is motivation, and we will start our class today by making MCQ question, multiple choice question. We'll try to find out the best answer. The first questions you can see on this screen. Which of the following is the first step of motivation cycle? Alternatives are persecution, number 2, B, identifying wants of staff, to achieve satisfaction, meeting employees' goal. Which one is the first step of motivation cycle? So we can see this, that to achieve satisfaction it is not fast. Meeting employees' goal it is not also fast. Which one is the first step of the cycle is? What you are thinking, that is right. Identifying want of staff. Now you come to the next question. Why is motivation given? Why is motivation given? You know that in the definition of motivations you also expressed why the motivation given. To force employees to work, to awaken the worker, to increase the efficiency of the staff, to make the employees interested in the work. Which one is the correct answers? What do you think? To force employees to work, to awaken the workers, to increase the efficiency of the staff, to make the employees interested in the work. Which one? Yes, it is the number D, to make the employee interested in the work. So what you are thinking, that is right, because to increase the efficiency of the staff it is done by training, not motivation. Okay, coming to the next. Which of the following is affected by motivation? Which of the following? We can see the alternatives. What are the option given? Human behavior, that is the, we can say that behaviors of human relationship, human values, human expectation. This is human behavior, because human motivation can change the human behavior, because after motivation he will be happy because all his need will be filled up. So human relationship cannot be broken, cannot be created. Human values cannot be decreased, cannot be increased. So that is why the correct answer is A, human behavior. Now coming to the next question. In which does insurance system include motivation? In which does insurance system, like this, you know that the motivation given in two ways, financial and non-financial. Financial, unsustainable means non-financial, risky or welfare. Yes, because insurance is related to the money, it is given to the premium as money, and that is why after some matured period that a huge amount of money will be given to the worker. So that is why it is related to the money. So it is number one, it will be financial. Okay, now coming to next, who is the father of demand hierarchical motivation theory? Demand hierarchical motivation theory, do you know who invented it? Who is the father of it? F.W. Taylor? No, because he is the father of scientific management. Henry Fayol, this is a mistake of spelling. Henry Fayol, that who is the father of modern management? Abraham Maslow, you know that. This is the right person of this answer. So, the hierarchical motivation theory invented by Abraham Maslow. And Frederick Herzberg, he is not, because he invented the bifactor or two elements theory. So our answer is Abraham Maslow. Now coming to the next question. There is important of motivation in the management because there is importance of motivation in the management because it reduces wastage, establish good behavior, establish good labor management, reduce labor rotation. These are the three multiple selected questions. So motivation given, and motivation has importance because reduce wastage. Yes, it is right, because who are the motivated, they will not allow any wastage. Established, yeah, good labor and management relation. Yes, it is also possible. Reduce labor rotation. Yeah, we can say this three option is right. That is why its answer is D. Now coming to the next. Which of the following is according to the bi-elements theory, two-factor theory, that is called? So, which one maintains component of motivation? So, which of the following is according to bi-element theory maintains components of motivation? Which of the maintains? What are the recognition? No, recognitions is given for position. It is the post in the organization. Growth, that will be depends on the performance of the organization. And interesting work. So which one do you like to select of your best answer? Recognition, it is maintenance component or motivational component? Do you know the maintenance components which is very much needed to continue the normal activities of the organization? So recognitions, if you don't give, then the organizations will not be shut down. The organizations will continue. But if there will be recognition given, no worker will be motivated. That is why it is motivational component. And position means it's post in the organization. So if there is no post, if there is no position in the organization, then nobody will follow no one command. So that times it will make an example. So that is why you can say this. The position is the right answer in the question. You can see it because I said earlier. Now coming to the next question. Who is the father of two elements theory? Who is the father of two elements theory? Victor is illusion, Douglas MacGregor, Frederick Herzberg, Chester I. Barnard. Who is? So, the two elements theory or two-factor theory, it's introduced by Frederick Herzberg. Our answer is C, Frederick Herzberg. We come to the next question. Motivation increases productivity, high morale, high job satisfaction. Productivity means uses low instrument or uses low materials, makes higher output. That is made by motivation. High morale means the workers has the great faith to the organization, and high job satisfaction. It's possible because we can say that which of the following is the correct multiple selection question. So productivity, yes, it is ensured by the motivation. High morale, yes, also it is more ensured by the motivation. High job satisfaction, yes, it's also can be assured by this. So we can say this. Our answer will be 1, 2, and 3. So you have to describe by your point of view. Now coming to the next question. What is the issue out of the performance of employees? Which is the out of employees' performance? Number 1, ability. No, it is must needed for performing in any activity. Motivation, it is also must needed to perform in any activity of the organization. Knowledge, it also must be needed. And next, relationship. Yes, without having any relationship, it can be um, done any work. But ability, without motivation, without knowledge, no activity will be performed. So that is why you can say out of issue is relationship. So our answer is relationship. Now coming to next question. Ways to satisfy gradual demand to satisfy safety needs are, do you know safety needs were in the Maslow's hierarchy theory? There are 5 steps. In the second step is safety needs. How we satisfy it? Provisions of job stability, group work arrangement, pension system. You know that we have said it, job security, it's also type of safety needs. So job stability and job security, that's the same. Group work, it doesn't include here, so we cannot support this option. Pension is also the old age we can get it, so that is why 1 and 3 would be our answer. So we can see what is our answer. Yeah, 1 and 3 will be our answer. So thank you all. I hope you enjoyed the class, and tomorrow we will come some more MCQ questions, and we will try to find out the best answer.